Hi everyone, Jin here. It's almost spring break, so we thought we'd pop in here to provide you with a quick tutorial on how to play the Batuu Bounty Hunter game at Galaxy's Edge in either Hollywood Studios over in Disney World or in Disneyland. These two games are almost identical, so we will just be showing you our walkthrough when we visited Disneyland last month. We will also link the full video here too. To play the game, you will need to have a Magic Band Plus and have the Play Disney app downloaded on your mobile device. It's in that app where you will find the Star Wars Batuu Bounty Hunters game. Where we're going now is the Guildmaster's hideout with the check-in station at Blackspire Station to start the game.
Mike's gonna try to get an assignment. He does have Magic Band Plus, so this should theoretically work. Yay! That seems to have worked.
I'm waiting to see who my target is.
Okay. Alright. Visit the Guildmaster's hideout on your right to collect your credits.
Alright, so that's who we're going after.
Jaga Badur.
Alright.
For 575 credits.
It's actually flat.
Yeah, is it over? So now we have to look for the bounty marker. Mike found a bounty, maybe? Did you find a bounty? Find it?
It's
Pro tip.
So yes, so in the Disney Play app, there's a separate tool that you do that, and when you get there, you scan the door, and then it'll reveal the bounty behind it. And then after you report where the bounty is, you come back here to the Guildmaster and collect your rewards.
Here we go. We're gonna go.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.